Live the New York dream at this property where luxury meets student living. Just minutes away from iconic spots, this student housing brings you to the heartbeat of the city. Dive into the lap of luxury at 35 East 7th Street Apartments in Manhattan. Choose from a range of studios and non-en-suites, with each bedroom space boasting a comfortable bed, a study desk and chair, a closet, and a TV. May your MasterChef watching experience come in handy with the fully equipped kitchenettes. Enjoy either a private or shared bathroom fitted with showers. The furnished rooms come with complimentary Wi-Fi and air conditioning. Enjoy perks like induction cookers, refrigerators, and even an in-room electronic safe. With flexible leases, no fees, and monthly housekeeping, this accommodation is a student haven. Safety is prioritized with 24-hour CCTV and electronic keycard access. Furthermore, you're only 2 and 4 minutes away from Hult International Business School and Cooper Union, respectively, tying the final grand bow to this gem. Indulge your taste buds and socialize at Paul's Cocktail Lounge and La Bain. Explore iconic eateries like Grand Central Oyster Bar, offering seafood delicacies, and Bleecker Street for the quintessential New York pizza. Unlock the doors to the time of your life here. For more details, visit amberstudent.com. Live the dream, study in style.